guys. We're gonna go for a cruise in our backyard. Join us.
We spent a beautiful evening at Boulder Lake. The air was still, almost eerie quiet, with not a hint of wind. Quite unusual for Wyoming. You could see the first signs of fall creeping in, with a few trees beginning to change colors.
Alright, one of my favorite spots. In our backyard here on beautiful Boulder Lake. Oh, there you go. Lake is pretty low. There's my biscuit.
I'm walking where water is supposed to be, and it's really dry. So, yeah, let's see what we can find, right? Because you never know. I hear a killdeer, but let's see. Look, I don't know if you can tell, but where we are walking, right here, is where water is supposed to be. It's kind of sandy, soft, and wonderful. And look, these two bodies of water usually are one, meaning that sandbar on the middle, you cannot see it. There's two killdeers over there. Yay, I found my spot. Da-da-da-da. Oh, boop. One just left. Let's see if the other one stays. The Canada Geese were starting to gather, preparing for their long journeys out. Their calls filled the air, creating a symphony that was both comforting and a little bittersweet. We saw several groups flying overhead, their honks echoing across the lake, such a wonderful sound. While I was searching for something to photograph, Connor was busy fishing. He caught a few small ones, but nothing extraordinary. Still, he kept trying, savoring the peacefulness of the evening. The sky was a canvas of moving clouds, painted with soft, shifting light that felt almost magical.
I'm getting bites. I got a little guy. I don't know if you caught it on video, but I got him. I sideswiped him. As soon as I got him on the rock, he jumped off and found his way back to the water. So good for him. He's a little dinker anyway. See if I can get something worthwhile here. Hey guys, I'm at another point here. See if I can get lucky. It's nice and quiet and calm. Seems about the time of evening. So see what happens. Crazy, you can hear their wings. Going home. Say who could blame them, but I do. It's a pretty nice place to spend the winter. Well, no luck for me, but that's alright. It is what it is. Let's go find my biscuit.
I found myself captivated by two little killdeer. They seemed to forget I was even there, tapping their tiny feet on the ground, probably stirring up insects. I was filming and photographing killdeer. It was really nice. I put the camera as low as I can go on the ground and I was able to capture them. Yay! Cheers! Filming them was tricky. They were so small that my camera kept focusing on everything else. Nice! You did it better than I did.
Yeah, I'm already dirty, so.
To get the perfect shot, I positioned my camera as low as possible, laying flat on the ground to meet them at eye level. Killdeer love to stay near the water's edge, wandering up the shore in search for food. One walked so close, it filled my viewfinder, and my heart swelled with joy. I silently thanked God for the chance to witness one so closely, a moment of pure gratitude. Oh my goodness, the light is just very, very beautiful. Meanwhile, Connor was on the other side of the lake, enjoying the beautiful sunset. The light was incredible, with that unmistakable hint of fall in the air. I didn't want to leave. I was savoring every moment, soaking in the tranquility. We finally made our way home, just as the light of the day faded into darkness. I hope that you enjoyed the little outing we had. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our online store. What are you waiting for? I have the full collection up, so go see it. Cheers.
Beautiful, calm night. Boulder Lake. Well, we went out to Boulder Lake and had a nice evening. We get to get some pretty pictures. I was doing some fishing. Caught a couple of tinkers, nothing special. But it's a beautiful night, as you can see. It's calm, clear. I can hear the killdeer. So, anyway, see you guys.
Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment and a like.
Yeah, all that stuff.
See you next week.
Peace.